The new definition of smart lighting is easy installation and simple control. With preset remote control and simplified fixture structure, anyone can install smart light. No professional skills needed. One controller for multiple sets of lights. You can easily adjust the brightness and light color to any scale for every light set. Smart Light offers a range of illumination color, from warm to cool, and multiple preset brightness levels. Smart Light saves energy and money. It makes life simple and better.